Namaskarams, hello and welcome to Raga. Today's Raga is a very simple and yet captivating Raga. The Raga has been popularized through various genres like theatre, cinema, apart from classical music. It was one of the most favorite choices of opera writers, composers, even in the pre-independence era. It is very soothing to hear, and almost everyone knows a song in this Raga. Let me play you one of my favorite Srimati Vasanta Kokilam's song. Aberi. Aberi, as we know it today, is one of the most attractive and popular ragas. It is known in North India by the name as Bhimpalasi, and Sri Muthuswami Dikshidhar affectionately called it Devagandharam. It is also called Karnataka Devagandhari in the texts of music. I am eager to hear, like you, Sri M.R. Ramachandran Anna's Aberi on his harmonium.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Raga series. This week we are presenting Raga Abheri. Raga Abheri is a Janya Raga of 22nd Melakarta Raga Kharahara Priya. This is an Audava Sampurna Ragam where 5 swaras are coming in the Arohanam and all the 7 swaras are coming in the Avarohanam. Till the first half of the 20th century, this raga was treated as a Janya Raga of 20th Melakarta Raga Nadabhairavi, where all the musicians were using Shuddha Devadam instead of Chatusra Devadam. And later on, it was converted into Chatusra Devadam and treated as a Janya Raga of Kharahara Priya. There is a Kriti of Dikshidhar, Veena Bheri. That Kriti is still sung taking into consideration as a Janya Raga of Nadabhairavi, where Shuddha Devadam is used till now instead of Chatusra Devadam. Other popular kritis of other Vagayakaras, the most famous kriti is Nagumomo by Tyagaraja Swamigal. Mysore Vasudevacharya has composed a very famous kriti, Bhajare Re Manasa. Then Subramanya Bharati poem is there, Vella Thamarai. Papanasham Shivan has also composed a kriti, Kanda Vandarul. Even though there are very limited kritis composed in this raga, there are many film songs in Tamil and Malayalam movies. There are about 150 film songs in Malayalam itself. But the most famous film song in this raga is Shingara Velane Deva. There is a story about this film song, the way it was sung in recording. It is not a story, it is a real thing happened. Song was sung by legend Janaki Amma, and there is a Nadaswaram piece going in between. And the beauty is, those days there was no retake or parallel track for recording. They have to record all the songs at a stretch without any break. If there is any mistake, they have to repeat it once more. Janaki Amma was in one room and Karakurchi Arunachalam Sir was playing Nadaswaram for this song. He was in another room. And whatever Sangadis Arunachalam Sir has played, Janaki Amma has to repeat it without any mistake. And rest is history. This song was recorded at a stretch without any break and without any mistake. My humble pranams to those legends. There are many Malayalam movie songs, as I said earlier, and the very old one is Sorga Gaige in the movie Mooladhanam.
ഹൃദയമണിയറയിൽ നിന്നെൻ കൽപ്പന മധുരഭാഷിണിയായി മന്ത്രിക്കും.
അള്ളാവിൻ കാരുണ്യമില്ലെങ്കിൽ, which is in the movie Yatim.
എല്ലാരും എത്തേമുകൾ അല്ലാവിൻ കാരുണ്യമില്ല.
Then Pattu Veluppinu in the movie Vengalam.
പത്ത് വെളുപ്പിന് മുറ്റത്ത് നിക്കണ കസ്തൂരി മുല്ലയ്ക്ക് കാതുകുത്ത് എന്റെ
പാതിര പുള്ളുണർന്നു ഫിലിം ഈ പുഴയും കടന്നു.
പാതിര പുള്ളുണർന്നു പരൽ മുല്ലക്കാടുണർന്നു പാഴ്മുളം കൂട്ടിലെ കാറ്റുണർന്നു.
നഷ്ടസ്വർഗങ്ങളെ മൂവി വീണപ്പൂ.
നഷ്ടസ്വർഗങ്ങളെ നിങ്ങളെനിക്കൊരു ദുഃഖസിംഹാസനം നൽകി.
ഹൃദയവനിയിലെ ഫിലിം കോട്ടയം കുഞ്ഞച്ചൻ.
ഹൃദയവനിയിലെ ഗായികയോ യവന കഥയിലെ നായികയോ ഹൃദയവനിയിലെ.
സുന്ദരി നിൻ തുമ്പ് കെട്ടിയ ഫിലിം ശാലിനി എൻ്റെ
നിൻ തുമ്പു കെട്ടിയില്ല ചുരുണ്ടി തുളസി തളിരില ചൂടി.
കഥയിലെ രാജകുമാരിയും ഫിലിം കല്യാണരാമൻ.
കഥയിലെ രാജകുമാരിയും ഗോപകുമാരനും ഒന്നാവാൻ പുഴയിലെ പൊന്നോളങ്ങളിൽ അവരൊഴുക്കി.
കോലക്കുഴൽ വിളി കേട്ടോ ഫിലിം നിവേദ്യം.
കോലക്കുഴൽ വിളി കേട്ടോ രാധേ എൻ രാധേ.
കണ്ണൻ എന്നെ വിളിച്ചോ.
These are the popular Malayalam movie songs. Thank you very much. Enjoy Aberi. It is a very pleasant raga. Thank you. See you.
About Tamil film music, there are too many songs in this raga, and I am selecting a very few for this episode. 1950, Mandiri Kumari, the name of the movie, the song Varai Ni Varai, very popular, almost everyone knows it. The screenplay was written by M. Karunanidhi, Kalaignar M. Karunanidhi, based on an incident from the Tamil epic Kundalakesi. On Kalaignar Karunanidhi's recommendation, MGR was cast as hero in this movie. This historical fiction movie was directed by L.S.R. Dangan. People from the 1950s, 60s will know about Dangan. Mr. Dangan was an American film director who was well known for working in Indian films, predominantly in Tamil cinema, from 1936 to 1950. He was an alumnus of the University of Southern California and moved to India in 1935. During his film career in South India, Dangan directed the debut films of several popular Tamil film actors such as M.G. Ramachandran in Sadi Leelavati, T.S. Balayya, N.S. Krishnan, and so on. I think he even launched the career of Chandrababu. Mandiri Kumari was the last Tamil film directed by Dangan and is considered to be amongst the most successful films of that decade. Shortly after directing this film, Dangan left Tamil industry and did not direct Tamil films anymore. This song, Varai Ni Varai, was sung by Tiruchi Loganathan and Jikki, music composed by G. Ramanathan. I'm going to play a second part of the same song. Listen to the Mudivila Mona Nilayani Malai Mudiyil Kanuvai by Tiruchi Loganathan, unbeatable. Tiruchi Loganathan's sons, who also made it big as playback singers, are T.L. Maharajan and Deepan Chakravarti. 1961, the critically acclaimed and national award winning movie Pasamalar, song Malarndum Malarada, music by Vishwanathan Ramamurthy, T.M. Soundararajan and P. Sushila sing the song.
மலர்ந்து மலராத பாதி மலர் போல வளரும் விழி வண்ணமே வந்து விடிந்தும் விடி.
In the same movie, Pasamalar, the evergreen song Vaarayan Tholi Vaarayo, the song that catapulted L.R. Easwari to fame and popularity. Every Tamil wedding plays this song. The song with L.R. Easwari went to 48 takes on day one, and however, on the second day, the song got okay on the first take. Personally, I like how the song interludes have been handled with Veda mantras. Unforgettable songs like these live forever. In 1962, the movie Deivathin Deivam, the song Kannan Mananilayai, sung by S. Janaki, this beautiful Subramanya Bharati song is simply awesome. The choreography was done by Kuchipudi exponent Vempatti Chinna Satyam. The film was G. Ramanathan's last completed film. He died of a heart attack in the midst of composing for his next film, Arunagirinadar. T.R. Papa completed that movie. This song is an important and an immortal lesson on how to compose for pre-written lyrics. Hats off to S. Janaki for bringing out the essence of the song aptly and brilliantly.
கண்ணன் மனநிலையை தங்கமே தங்கம் கண்டு வர வேணுமடி தங்கமே தங்கம்.
1962, the movie Konjam Salangai. The immortal song Singaravelane Deva. This film is the Indian Tamil cinema's one and only Tamil film to be entirely shot and released in Technicolor. I had shared more facts with you in the Bilahari episode about this movie. For the song Urumayudan Ninada Tirumalaradi, Ramachandran Anna has already explained beautifully about this song. Like Anna told, the recording of the song, the singing by Janaki was recorded at the Raman Studios in Mumbai, Bombay then, while the Nadaswaram portions were recorded in Chennai, Madras, and the two tracks were mixed. This was a unique thing in the 1960s. About the song, in those days, the first choice of music composers to render such devotional numbers was P. Leela. But after going through the lyric and the tune, P. Leela politely declined the offer, saying that she could not sing at such a high pitch and suggested the name of S. Janaki. Raman then signed Janaki to render the song. Savitri, however, wanted a different singer like P. Sushila to render the song. But the producer M.V. Raman did not relent and stuck to his choice, and ultimately it became one of the most popular classical film songs both in Tamil and Telugu. Singaravelane Deva turned out to be Janaki's all-time great. I will play the out of this world piece where Karakurchi Arunachalam and S. Janaki brilliantly put forth this Aberi. In 1963, the movie Vanambadi, the song Gangai Karai Thotam, sung by P. Sushila, music composed by K.V. Mahadevan and lyrics by Kannadasan.
கங்கை கரை தோட்டம் கன்னி பெண்கள் கூட்டம் கண்ணன் நடுவினிலே.
1965, the movie Thiruvilayadal, the song Isai Tamil Nee Seida, lyricist Kannadasan, music by K.V. Mahadevan and sung by T.R. Mahalingam. I am going to play the part where he pleads to Lord Shiva, பிட்டுக்கு மண் சுமந்து பிரம்படிப்பட்ட உன்னை பேசும் தமிழ் அழைத்தும் வாராதிருப்பதென்ன. K.V. Mahadevan, T.R. Mahalingam, Kannadasan, all of them had the blessings of the divinity, else it would not be easy to create such immortal songs.
பட்ட உன்னை பிட்டுக்கு மண் சுமந்து பிரம்படி பட்ட உன்னை பேசும் தமிழ் அழைத்தும் வாராதிருப்பதென்ன பேசும் தமிழ் அழைத்தும் வாராதிருப்பதென்ன இசை தமிழ் நீ செய்த அரும் சாதனை.
In 1965, the movie Kurandayum Deivamum, the double role by Kutti Padmini. The movie is an adaptation of Disney's The Parent Trap. The song itself is intoxicating, sung by P. Sushila, Paramudir Soleile. When I listen to the song, I want to be transported to 1965. In 1966, the movie Saraswati Sapadam, the song Gomata Engal Kulamata, P. Sushila, music composed by K.V. Mahadevan, lyrics by Kannadasan.
கோமாதா எங்கள் குலமாதா கோமாதா எங்கள் குலமாதா.
In 1967, the beautiful Aberi song Poomalayil from the movie Ootti Varai Uravu, M.S. Vishwanathan, Kannadasan, TMS, P. Sushila. What a combo. This song is my favorite. Vishwanathan Ramamurthy and MSV later tried out every instrument that was there, including the clarinet, cello, oboe, saxophone, trumpet, guitar, ukulele, mandolin, banjo, piano, accordion, bongo drums, making use of them in their scores.
பூமாலையில் ஓர் மல்லிகை இங்கு நான் தான் தேன் என்றது.
உந்தன் வீடு தேடி வந்தது இன்னும் வேண்டுமா என்றது.
1981, the movie Thillumulla, the rip-roaring comedy, the song Ragangal Padinaru. Rajani as Ayyampettai, Arivudai Nambi, Kalai Perumal Chandran and Indran. Thengai Srinivasan as Sri Ramachandramurthy and Saukar Janaki. What a riot. They made this movie refreshingly different. Written by Visu and directed by K. Balachandar, the movie went to become a box office hit. On the centenary of Indian cinema in April 2013, Forbes India included the performances of Rajinikanth and Thengai Srinivasan in the film on its list of 25 greatest acting performances of Indian cinema. Sung by S.P. Balasubramaniam, music M.S. Vishwanathan, lyricist Kannadasan.
இடையாட வளையாட சலங்கைகள் ஆட இலையோடு கொடி போல நடமாடினான் இடையாட.
In 1981, the movie Meendum Kokila. The film, upon its release, was a critical and a commercial success. I always believed that Kamal and Sridevi were the best on-screen pair. Sridevi's performance in the role was widely praised and is considered by various critics and film historians as one of the finest and the most authentic portrayals of an Indian Brahmin woman. For her performance, Sridevi received the Filmfare Award for the Best Actress in Tamil. She was just 17 years old when the film released. The song Chinnanjiru Vayadil, sung by K.J. Yesudas and S.P. Shailaja, music by Ilayaraja and lyrics by Kannadasan. I am playing two parts. Part 2, where the BGM sounds were blended with the mridangam, is the most imaginative, and salute to Isaignani.
சின்னஞ்சிறு வயதில் எனக்கோ சித்திரம் தோணுதடி பின்னல் விழுந்தது போல் எதையோ.
शाबाश भले.
In 1982, this is a special mention song, Poove Ni Yaar Solli, sung by Malaysia Vasudevan S. Janaki, music by A.A. Raj. I think this is the only movie where Delhi Ganesh acted as a hero. The movie was Thaniyada Dagam. I like the song.
இடவந்த புதுமலர் புதுமலர்
பூவே யார் சொல்லி யாருக்காக மலர்கின்றார்?
As I said, there are so many songs that I want to talk about, but since we have very little time today, I'm going to play a series of songs in Aberi, not in any particular order for your viewing.
உறவுக்கு அர்த்தம் சொல்ல கண்ணன் வந்தானா குயிலே கவி குயிலே யார் வரவை தேடுகிறாய் மனசு வசந்த கால கோலங்கள் வானில் விழுந்த கோடுகள் கலைந்திடும் நாதம் என் ஜீவனே வாழ்வா என் தேவனே உந்தன் ராஜராக்கினிலே வரும் கீதம் கண்டேன் எங்கும் பூமகள் நாட்டியம் ஆடக் குளிரில் ஆடுது மனசு
மேகம் கருக்குது மழை வர பாக்குது வீசி அடிக்குது காத்து காத்து வாட காத்து சூடு ஏத்தும்
விளக்கு வச்ச நேரத்திலே மாமன் வந்து பூவே பூச்சூடவா இந்த நெஞ்சில் பால் வார்க்கவா பூவே பூச்சூ
வெள்ளி கொலுசு மணி வேளான கண்ணு மணி சொல்லி இழுத்ததென்ன தூங்காம
படிக்கலாம் ரசிக்கலாம்
காளிதாசன் கண்ணதாசன் கவிதை
சங்கத்தமிழ் கவியே சந்தங்கள் சொல்லும் இசை குயிலே தன்னந்தனியாக தவித்தால் தாகமடங்கிடுமோ
தேவதை போலொரு பெண்ணெங்கு வந்தது நம்பி உன்னை நம்பி இந்த மைத்துடன் கைத்தலம் பற்றி
ஓடிவா அன்பால் கூடவா பைங்கிளி நிதமும் என்னை தொட்டு அள்ளிக்கொண்ட மன்னன் மயிலாடும் பூத்து மாநாடு கண்டே மாநாடு
என்று நான் போகும் பாதை என் நாடும் உன் பாதை
குருவாயூரப்பா குருவாயூரோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை கண்களுக்கு சொந்த
நீலவான ஓடையில் நீந்துகின்ற வெண்டிலா நீலவா நினைவுகள் பறந்தது
தனிமையிலே ஒரு ராகம் ஒரு தாளம் பதினெட்டு வயது இளமொட்டு மனது ஏங்குது பாய் போட பனி கொட்டும் இரவு பால் வண்ணமே சொல்லாமலே யார் பார்த்தது
Finally, I suggest you please listen to the popular Aberi of L. Shankar, who has absolute technical mastery and command over specially made they specially made 10-string violin. It's on YouTube. Okay, now about Raga therapy. Nabi chakra, which governs the solar plexus and the stomach area, is said to be aided by Aberi. It is said that chakra is cleansed by these ragas, aiding the physical body, for example, with digestion, as well as bringing about a change of attitude and inner transformation, and helping to give up vices and compulsive habits. Thanks, and let us meet in another episode of Raga.